Have you ever wondered about the journey your morning newspaper takes before it lands on your doorstep? It's a story that begins not in a newsroom, but deep within the quiet expanse of a forest. This remarkable cycle starts in vast, sustainably managed woodlands, where every tree harvested is part of a deliberate and renewable plan. Here, skilled loggers carefully select and fell mature trees, their work echoing through the canopy as the first step in a long process is taken. These massive logs are then loaded onto trucks and transported to a paper mill, the initial leg of their transformation from raw timber into the daily news. Upon arrival at the mill, the logs undergo a dramatic change. The rough, textured bark is stripped away in a powerful debarking process, revealing the pale wood beneath. This clean wood is then fed into enormous chippers, which methodically slice and dice the logs into small, uniform wood chips. These chips are the fundamental ingredient for what comes next. They are cooked with chemicals and water under immense pressure, breaking down the wood fibers into a thick, wet slurry known as pulp. This pulp, the very essence of the tree, is then washed, bleached, and pressed, ready to be formed into paper. The next stage of the journey takes place in the heart of a printing facility, a cavernous space dominated by the rhythmic thunder of machinery. Giant, pristine white rolls of paper, some weighing as much as a car, are hoisted and loaded onto a massive printing press. With a deafening roar, the press springs to life. The paper, a seemingly endless river of white, is pulled through a complex web of rollers and cylinders at incredible speeds. In a blur of motion, precisely engraved metal plates apply ink to the paper, transferring words and images in a fraction of a second. You can see the news literally flying through the machinery as headlines, stories, and photographs are imprinted, creating thousands of newspapers every single minute. As the first light of dawn breaks, the climax of this nightly operation begins. Freshly printed and still warm from the press, neat stacks of newspapers are bundled together by automated machines, wrapped and ready for their final destination. Delivery trucks, lined up and waiting, are quickly loaded and dispatched from the facility. Fanning out across the sleeping city, a swift and silent montage unfolds as these bundles are delivered to newsstands on quiet street corners and tossed onto the doorsteps of homes. Soon, people from all walks of life, a businessman on his commute, an elderly woman enjoying her morning coffee, a student catching up before class, unfold the crisp pages, connecting with the world through the printed word. But the story doesn't end when the last page is read. The final chapter is one of renewal, a testament to the life cycle's sustainability. After a person finishes their paper, it is often placed into a recycling bin, beginning its journey anew. At a recycling facility, mountains of old newspapers are collected, sorted, and prepared for their